How to buy 40 Robux on Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can buy 40 Robux on Roblox. So first thing first, open any preferred web browser and go to the roblox.com and log in with your account. And once you're logged in, simply click on the Roblox option shown in the top right corner of the screen. And after clicking on that, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, simply click on Buy Roblox and you will be prompted to the page where you can purchase the Roblox. And here, if you don't see the 40 Robux option on your PC or laptop, that's because the smallest amount available on the website is 500 Robux. However, you can still buy 40 Robux by switching to mobile device such as phone or tablet, where the option is available. So simply open the mobile device and select 40 Roblox for the available options, and after that you can choose payment method and complete the purchase, and that's it. Now you know how to buy 40 Robux. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.